Within the last year, I've tried to put together the absolute best vehicle toolkits from almost every store you can imagine. We've done full vehicle toolkits from places like Harbor Freight, Tractor Supply, Northern Tool, and we've put together some pretty impressive kits. Now, typically I have a preset budget of $250 to get the absolute best toolkit I can. But today, to spice things up, we're going to be spending $150 on Temu to see if we can get the ultimate vehicle toolkit. Now, today's video sponsor is Temu, so they helped out with getting some of this awesome equipment and gear, and I also bought some of it myself. Now, throughout this video, you all are going to see that I have QR codes for every single product that we go over, and that is going to give you a direct link to go get them. I'm also going to have everything tagged down in the description below, and an exclusive discount code. Now, using that code to maximize your savings could not be any easier. You simply type it into the search box as you see here, and then that's going to give you that discount. I highly recommend that all of you download the Temu app. That's where I did all my shopping, and it gives you access to a lot of other perks. New Temu app users get $100 coupon and unlock extra savings with their flash sale deals by searching my code in the Temu search bar as I showed you before. Now, as you guys have seen, we've been able to put together some amazing vehicle toolkits on a budget, but let me tell you, on Temu, even cutting the budget by $100, this one's gonna give them a run for their money. Now, to get started off right here, let's go ahead and go over the base of our kit. I believe with any vehicle toolkit, if you can get a mechanic's toolkit that has pretty much all your ratchets and sockets already together, you're gonna save a lot of money. So that's what I tried to do on Temu. I found this 121 piece toolkit for only $38. So an absolutely insane deal, but I have not been able to see what the tools look like inside of it yet. Just the case itself, a typical blown molded case, looks pretty good. And then inside right here, we've actually got way more tools than it looked like. So to start off with the top section here, we've got all of our combo wrenches. We've got a size range from 8 all the way to 19. We've got Phillips head, got a flathead screwdriver. We got a pretty decent sized extension set here. 2 specialty sockets in the top. And then on the bottom here, we've got all of our sockets. We've actually got all the way from size 4 up to 22 with no skips. And then we've got 24, 27, 30, and 32. For our deep wells, we've got 13, 14, 15, and 17. Then we've also got some 1/4 inch deep wells, 8, 9, 10, and 12. Aside from that, you're gonna see we've got our Allen keys here. You'll also see that we've got some bits here, just our typical Allen keys, Phillips, flathead, and then our Torx bits. What I really like about this kit is there's not really any fluff. With most of the kits that you get that are 121 pieces, 60 of the pieces will be these little bit tools. Now down here on the bottom, we've also got a swivel adapter right here for our 1/2 inch, and we've got that as well for 3/8, and we've got it for 1/4 inch. We got our 1/4 inch extension right here. And then one of the coolest tools that came with this kit is gonna be a filter remover. So essentially, you open this up, put that on your oil filter, you twist it, and that's gonna twist it off for you for those that are just on too tight. Now, I've never actually used this tool before, and I think this would be super handy for normal maintenance and stuff like that, because some of them are just on there way too tight. Moving past that, we've got 3 different ratchets here. So you're gonna see we've got our 1/2 inch, and it really doesn't feel bad. I would guess it's probably a 60 to 72 tooth. A little bit bigger head than what you see from Pittsburgh. You can see quite a bit bigger around, but actually a decent feeling tool. We've got the same thing for our 3/8 right here. And then we've also got our 1/4 inch right here. Yeah, all of these seem pretty decent. Now keep in mind, my main goal for a vehicle toolkit is not something that I'm going to be using in the garage every single day. My main goal is to have these tools in the case that I actually need them, whether we be off-road, on the road, normal roadside repair stuff, whatever the case may be. But I hope I never have to use the tools that I carry in my car, but inevitably if I need to use something, it's nice to know I have everything that I could need. But now that we've got that covered, let's move on to product number 2. Now with any toolkit, you're always going to need to get some pliers. So I actually got a standard set of automotive pliers here that comes with, I believe, 4 for only $9. Now these are going to be super similar to the pliers that we got for our Tractor Supply Job Smart kit. So we've got some diagonal wire cutters right here. Got some traditional lineman pliers right here. Of course, you've got to have some needle nose pliers, and these are a really good size. And then my favorite in this little set is the little adjustable set of channel locks, but these are the Nipix style. So you can see with the groove on the teeth there, the way that it adjusts. This is really a mirror representation of the Nipix style pliers. And usually just these by themselves are $20 or $30. So to be able to get this with these other 3 pliers, which are going to cover pretty much all the bases that we need for $9, is an insane value. Now moving on to the next item, it's something I believe is an absolute necessity for any vehicle toolkit. This is going to be a heavy duty hammer. This one is actually 2 pounds. And as you can see right there, you can beat on just about anything you need with this, and there's not much negotiation. With a 2-pound hammer, it's just about the perfect size to get it into tight places when you need to, but it's going to deliver more than enough force to move whatever you need to. Now the next one is going to be the craziest one yet. For all of my vehicle toolkits that I've put together in the past, I've never been able to add a power tool, but on Temu, apparently you can. So this is from a company called Ellie Clamps, and they sell a few different options for power tools, but you might notice something that looks kind of crazy. This is a 1/2-inch mid-torque impact, and it does say brushless on it here, and it might look like something that you guys recognize. Now with this, as you can tell, it looks super similar to something that we all know and love. It's got the brushless there on the back. Even the label here on the side, pretty crazy. And then it does have the front lights. Then you've got your adjustable modes there on the bottom. This is a really good feeling impact, and it does not feel light in the head at all like most of the cheaper ones do. I mean, it feels pretty darn solid. And it was only $18. So yes, you heard me right. This is basically a clone of one of our favorite impacts that's even out there, that's typically sold for $250 by itself, and we got it for $18. Doesn't even make sense. Now I'm just putting a 4-amp-hour Milwaukee battery in here. Of course, it accepts M18 batteries. See if it works. Now it says brushless, but I think it may have a brush in there. But to be fair, it feels pretty good. Now with our next product, we might be able to go ahead and put this thing to the test right now. This is something that you will see in every mechanic shop. Essentially, these are sockets that are made specifically to take off lug nuts. You can see they're color coordinated there with the different sizes, but you'll see this outer cover right here that is made to protect the wheel. So a lot of times whenever you're using impact rated sockets, they are a little bit bigger, just like these, but they do scratch up the wheels, at least on certain wheels, whenever you're taking the lug nuts off. So what this is designed to do is to make sure that you're not going to scratch that wheel up. And to be fair, it just makes everything a lot simpler. Whenever you are going to be taking off lug nuts, you can just grab this kit that's got all 4 sizes that are most commonly used, grab it, and take it over to the vehicle. Now with this, I got it for an insane deal of only $10. So for $10, this is a crazy value. Most of the time whenever I've seen kits like this in the past that come with all 5 sizes, it's a bare minimum of $50. So for $10, what a crazy value. But anyway, let's grab one of these, throw it on our impact here, and see if we can take some lug nuts off. Now in the spirit of full transparency, this size of impact is not really designed to take off lug nuts. So this isn't the best test in the world for this, but if it can take off lug nuts, it can do anything that I want it to do. So we've got our 22mm impact rated socket. Let's see what it can do. And just like that, it did it. Now I wouldn't say that was an easy task for this smaller impact, but to say I'm impressed is an understatement. For $18 to get a power tool that can take off lug nuts is pretty wild. Now something else I personally got that I didn't really include in this toolkit is going to be the 12-amp-hour battery. This is an M18 battery, and obviously 12 amp hours. Now, a lot of the stuff you're going to see with Milwaukee for their M18s is 4.0s, 5.0s, and stuff like that. But those of you that have bought them know just how expensive they can be. A typical 5 amp hour battery is somewhere around $80. To get an 8 amp hour, somewhere around $130. And then to get something like this, it's around $200. But on Temu, I got this battery for $27 with free shipping. I honestly could not believe it. Now, obviously, it works well with this one, but I can also use this on any of the other tools in my M18 line. So for $27, it's an absolute no-brainer. Now, to go along with that impact, I also decided to get this. So what this is a full impact rated socket set. I figured if we were gonna have this awesome impact for only $18, I might as well spend about $30 and get this full impact rated set. Now online, this looked like a pretty inclusive set, and sure enough, it is. So what you're gonna see here is we have a full set all the way from 8 millimeters all the way up to 24 millimeters with no skips, and that's gonna cover all of our shallow half-inch sockets right through here. Then we've got our deep well sockets that range from 13 up to 19 with no skips. And then we've got 21, 22, 24, 27, 30, and 32. Then we've got 27, 30, and 32 millimeter on these shallow. So all in all, this is a really inclusive kit that's gonna cover just about all your bases. Of course, impact rated sockets are not the most complicated thing to make, but they are generally pretty expensive, just because you can see that's a lot of material to put into one thing. So to be able to get this full kit with a carrying case for about $32 is absolutely insane. What a crazy value. Now the next product is another thing that I think is an absolute necessity, a Stubby screwdriver. So I really like this one because it is a 2-in-1. So you just flip it around, you go from a Phillips to a flathead. It's the perfect size for any of the annoying stuff you have to do on the interior of the cars. Even if it's just something simple like messing with some bolts around the dash, these little stubbies make it way, way easier. Now this was only $1.77 on Temu, and I got free shipping with it. So for $1.77, you're not gonna be able to beat that. And it's a tool that you've gotta have in your toolkit. This next product is another necessity. Now they have tons of different zip ties online. I've got so many here at the house, I didn't wanna buy too many extras. But with this, for 44 cents, I got a 100 count of these small, basically interior or electronic style zip ties. These are perfect for tidying up any wires that you run inside the vehicle. If you install lights or something like this, more times than not, this size is what I use. Now for the next product, it's something I'm really excited to see because it's not just one thing or two things. It's 3 flashlights that I got for $5. Now with these are just these little mini flashlights, and they look like the perfect size online to throw in my glove box, to throw in a toolkit, basically just to keep with you all the time. But my favorite part is they are USB-C chargeable, so you recharge them with USB-C. Now you can see just how small this light is. It is absolutely tiny. You've got a clip on the back here, but they are pretty powerful. So with this, working on cars at night is gonna be a breeze. Now it's got 4 different modes. It's got bright, it's got not as bright, it's got a strobe, and then a less aggressive strobe. But these things are pretty stout. And my favorite part about the flashlights that are this size, especially with the clip, is whenever you need to go hands-free, you throw them on your hat just like that, and now you've got a headlight, so you can work hands-free. And let me tell you, this thing really is super bright. Actually super impressed by how bright that is. And with normal battery powered flashlights, I found that by the time I need to use them, the batteries in them are already dead. So with this, I can just plug it in maybe once a month while I'm driving the car, and it's gonna charge it up. That way I know whenever I do need it, it's got a full charge. Now for the next product, it's something I don't typically carry with me in my vehicle toolkits, but to be fair, after I'd already got most of the main things I needed to get for my vehicle toolkit and still had budget left over, I wanted to get this soldering kit that was only $5. Now for those of you that don't know, a soldering iron is what you need to properly do any real wiring automotive wise. So for this to only be $5 is pretty crazy. It's a really simple design. You plug it in, you've got an adjustable knob right here to adjust your temperature. And they've also come with all the accessories that you need. Different soldering tips right here for different sizes, and the base plate right here as well. And they've even given us some solder right here on a wheel. So for $5, what a crazy value. And believe me, whenever you need this tool, there's nothing else that'll work. The next item on the list is probably the one that shocked me the most. As all of you know, an OBD2 reader, a code scanner, whatever you want to call it, is what you need to read any check engine lights, clear any trouble codes. With this tool, in the event of a check engine light popping up on your dash, you simply plug this into your OBD2, and then you can pull up the codes and read exactly what they are here. Now with this OBD2 reader, it was priced at only $5. Just to put this into perspective, the cheapest one that I've ever bought before, which I thought was an insane deal, was $30 at Tractor Supply. So for only $5, it doesn't even make sense. As long as it does just those simple features, this is an absolute no-brainer. Everyone should have one, because there's nothing worse than having your car be thrown into limp mode for something simple that you could have fixed, especially with a $5 tool. Now, I don't currently have any codes on any of my vehicles, but we'll plug it up to the Raptor here and see if it reads correctly. This has actually got some more modes than I thought. We got read DCT, we got clear our codes, freeze, not sure what that is, O2 sensors, mode 6, mode 8, live data. I don't even know what all that is. But a super helpful tool, especially whenever you have those annoying trouble codes pop up. It just gives you so much more capability of being able to handle all the issues by yourself. Now for the next two items, they are not as exciting, but they're absolute necessities. The first one is just some electrical tape. For only $1.79, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rolls of electrical tape. And the next thing was the valve stem kit. Now this kit was only $2, and what it comes with is pretty impressive. We got our valve stem core removal tool right here. We got plenty of caps to replace once we lose them. We've got another valve stem core tool right here. And then we've got a pack of valve stems. So it comes with all these different valve stems. And for me, where I'm airing up, airing down all the time off-road, I do wear out the seal, the little red seal here on the valve stems pretty quick. So you'll notice one of your tires just starts to lose pressure way faster than it should. And over a couple days, it can go all the way to 0. And honestly, it can just be replacing this little valve stem right here that fixes it all. Now the next product is something I wouldn't typically add to a vehicle toolkit, but like I told you, I had extra left in the budget. So I got something that I could not pass up. This is a handheld chainsaw that I got for only $14. And this comes with the battery and a charger. Now some assembly is required, so let me put it together real quick and let's see if it works. I'm gonna put a little bit of bar oil in it. Sure, it doesn't hold much, but that's what's gonna keep your chain lubricated. And now it's ready to rock and roll. Well, we've got our tool out. Let's see what it can actually do. Now, what it's really made for is smaller limbs and trees, stuff like this, out on the trail. So I think it'll be perfect for that. Let's test it out on this first. Light work out of that. Now let's move on to the real challenge. Well, it doesn't get much easier than that. Now the next product is another one of those things that I bought once I got carried away. So this really shouldn't even count towards the budget, but for $5, I got an adapter that allows me to run a M18 battery in my daughter's Power Wheels Jeep. So for this, it's supposed to be a simple plug and play. It's got an on-off switch right here, and it also has some fuses. So once we connect this to the Power Wheels, that Jeep is supposed to be able to run off of my M18 battery and be quite a bit more powerful. So for $5, I figured I had to try it. And then of course it wouldn't be a vehicle toolkit without a tool bag. So for under $5, I got this tool bag to hold all of our stuff that didn't come in cases. And it's pretty big. So between these two things and our $150 budget, we've got pretty much all of our bases covered. So let me know what you guys think about the Ultimate Vehicle Toolkit from Temu. I think we got some pretty insane products for some pretty crazy deals. Let me know what different tools you guys would have added. And if you guys want to see more Temu tool videos, drop it down in the comments below. Remember, use my code on Temu, Download the app, and a huge thank you to Temu for sponsoring today's video. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see next. But until then, Godspeed.